Hi guys, Ian here. In this video, we are going to discuss matrices. A matrix is an array of rows and columns enclosed within square brackets. A matrix is denoted by using uppercase letters such as A, B, C, and so on. Let me take a matrix here, say B equals 1, 5, 9, 3, 2, 6. Now this 1, 5, 9, 3, 2, 6 are the entries or elements of a matrix, and they are represented using this notation Bij, where B is the matrix itself, and I being the row number, and J being the column number. Now, if you want to access any element in this matrix, what you could do is you could use this notation and get that element. Say I want to get this element, which is 6. So I'll use this notation B, and it is in row number 2, so B2, and the column number is 3, so 3. So this will give me element 6. Similarly, say if I want to get 3, this, so I'll use the same notation, B being the matrix itself, and row number 2 and column number 1, which will give me 3. Let's try to get another element. Say I want to get 5. So we'll use the same notation once again. B, it's in the first row, so we'll use B1, and it's in the second column, so we'll use 2. So B12 will give us 5. So this is how you can access the elements of a matrix. Now the shape of a matrix, say we'll take another matrix here, C, 1, 8, 2, 3, 7, 4. Now the shape of a matrix is given by M cross N, where M is the number of rows and N is the number of columns. And in this case of matrix C, the shape of this matrix is it has 2 rows, which is 2, M being 2, and N, which is the number of columns, being 3. So the shape of this matrix C is 2 cross 3. So this is how you can represent the shape of a matrix. Now this was some introduction about matrices. Over the next few videos, we are going to continue discussing matrices. So make sure to stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.